A for
apple,
B for
boy,
C for
cat,
D for
doll,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
goat,
grapes. हे इथं grapes आहे गोट महा. H for
horse,
I for
ice cream,
J for
duckle,
K for
kite,
L for
ribbon,
M for
monkey,
N for
fish,
O for
oil,
P for
parrot,
Q for
quail,
R for
rabbit,
S for
sandwich,
T for
telephone,
U for
umbrella,
V for
lantern,
W for
watermelon,
Z X for
sun,
X for X झाला फोन
telephone,
आणि Y for
yak,
and Z for
zebra.
zebra. This is alphabets.